8 ways to ghost everyone. Grind in silence. Shock them. Sigma male trait. In a world that thrives on the constant exchange of information and where achievements are often broadcasted as soon as they happen, there exists a path less trodden but equally, if not more, potent. This is the path of discretion and deep focus, a journey where success is not a loud declaration, but a quiet revelation. It's a realm where individuals choose to grind in silence, letting their actions speak volumes while maintaining an aura of mystery. The power of moving in silence is not just in the element of surprise, but in the strength it builds within the individual. This approach requires mastering the art of strategic sharing and cultivating an unparalleled level of focus, skills that, when honed, pave the way for remarkable achievements without the need for constant external validation. As we delve into the principles of mastering discretion and deep focus, we uncover the blueprint for a journey that champions the silent yet impactful route to success. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to approach, date, and seduce women, check the link in the description. It's the best comprehensive guide out there. The power of silence in a noisy world. In a society dominated by constant noise and the urge to share every detail of our lives, there's a unique strength in choosing silence and discretion. This approach isn't about isolation, but about finding strength in quietude and strategic action. Imagine the impact of a silent wave gathering strength far from the shore. Unseen, it grows, only revealing its power as it nears land. This metaphor captures the essence of moving in silence, building your capabilities, focusing on your goals, and choosing the right moment to reveal your achievements. It's a strategy that requires discipline, foresight, and a deep commitment to personal growth. Mastering discretion. The art of strategic sharing. In an age where oversharing is the norm, discretion becomes a powerful tool. It's not about secrecy, but about choosing wisely what you share and with whom. This selective sharing protects your goals from external negativity and keeps you focused on your path without unnecessary distractions. It also adds an element of surprise to your achievements, allowing them to make a more significant impact when they're revealed. By mastering discretion, you're not only safeguarding your journey, but also cultivating an aura of mystery that can enhance your personal and professional outer. Deep focus. The key to silent achievement. The cornerstone of achieving significant goals lies in the ability to focus deeply. In a world brimming with distractions, dedicating yourself fully to your pursuits requires discipline. This means creating an environment that supports concentration, be it through minimizing social media, setting clear boundaries, or finding a quiet space where you can work uninterrupted. Deep focus allows you to delve into your tasks with a level of intensity that surface-level attention can never match. By honing this skill, you ensure that your efforts are both efficient and effective, propelling you toward your goals at an accelerated pace. Cultivating self-sufficiency, the foundation of internal motivation. Self-sufficiency is about finding the drive within yourself to pursue your goals, regardless of external validation or support. This trait is crucial for anyone looking to grind in silence, as it ensures that your motivation is always accessible, never hinging on the approval or encouragement of others. Building self-sufficiency involves setting personal challenges, celebrating your own successes, and learning from failures without external judgment. This inner resilience not only fuels your journey but also strengthens your independence, making you more adaptable and capable of facing challenges head-on. Embracing routine, the structure of success. A well-established routine is the scaffolding upon which successful habits are built. Consistency in your daily actions creates a momentum that can carry you toward your goals, turning the extraordinary into the ordinary through repetition. Whether it's waking up early, dedicating specific hours to work on your goals, or incorporating regular physical activity, a routine disciplines your time and energy, ensuring they're always aligned with your objectives. By sticking to a routine, you make progress inevitable, turning the grind into a rhythm that guides your day-to-day life. Strategic social withdrawal. Investing energy wisely. Choosing how and with whom you spend your time is a critical aspect of grinding in silence. This doesn't mean cutting off social interactions, but rather being strategic about them. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, share your ambitions, or encourage your growth. By doing so, you ensure that your social energy contributes to your goals, rather than detracting from them. This selective approach to relationships not only enhances your productivity, but also enriches your life with meaningful connections that support your journey. The quiet victory, celebrating achievements privately. There's a unique satisfaction in achieving your goals without the need for public acknowledgement. Keeping your victories to yourself allows you to savor them fully, without diluting their significance through external validation. This practice not only strengthens your internal validation mechanism, but also keeps your competitors guessing, giving you a strategic advantage. When you do choose to share your successes, they're more impactful, coming as a surprise to those around you, and amplifying the perception of your capabilities. Building a legacy in silence. The ultimate impact. The true power of grinding in silence lies in the legacy you build, one that's not dependent on constant visibility, but on the tangible impact of your actions. By focusing on your work, maintaining discretion, and strategically revealing your achievements, you create a narrative of success that speaks through its results rather than its proclamation. This approach not only ensures that your achievements are more satisfying, but also that they're recognized on the merit of their impact, establishing a lasting legacy that transcends momentary recognition. As we conclude this exploration into the art of moving in silence, it's clear that the journey is both profound and impactful. Mastering discretion and cultivating deep focus are not merely strategies, but are testaments to the strength of character and the depth of determination. These principles serve as the foundation for a form of success that doesn't need to be announced to be acknowledged. The power of grinding in silence lies in the undeniable impact of the results it yields, results that often speak louder than any words ever could. As individuals embark on this quiet journey towards their goals, they not only achieve but also transform, embodying the essence of true mastery and success. This path, marked by discretion and focus, leads not just to external achievements, but to internal growth, setting a precedent for a form of success that is as dignified as it is profound. The silent journey, thus, echoes triumphantly, resonating with the timeless adage that true power is felt, not flaunted. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and watch this one as well. Thanks for watching.